110 airmen lost their lives, 108 were captured, and 78 were interned in Turkey. Of the original 177 B-24s, only 88 returned, many severely damaged. Operation Tidal Wave set the record for the most medals of honor awarded to airmen in a single mission. However, the heavy losses and limited strategic success meant that such a daring, low-altitude assault was never repeated. The courage displayed during this raid remains a testament to the bravery and sacrifice of those who took part. As we remember Operation Tidal Wave, we honor the legacy of these brave airmen who faced overwhelming odds in their quest to strike a decisive blow against the Axis powers.